Actually, it's all the 170? Probably. It's probably any 170.
US Airways! US Airways!
Somebody open their window!
I'll open it! I'll open it!
Okay.
Don't leave the window open, guys.
Oh, yay, thank you. Now we can hear the airplane.
Actually, it's gonna be a little too loud. I don't want it.
Airplanes, where's the... Awesome!
Awesome.
That's more than 100 feet.
Thank you. I think we're gonna see more planes.
I gotta see more takeoffs.
No, we're gonna at least see more planes.
No, going that road. Dang it.
Jonah, I need you to sit down right now, honey.
Jonah, now.
He is.
Jonah, I need to be able to see. I've read that there are like porta potties right there. Jonah, watch out, there are cars around, honey. That's one end.
US Airways Mini.
Presumably down
Take off!
unless it's over there.
This is awesome.
Look!
Guys, there's a plane.
Yep.
Someone said,
Whoa! American Eagle! Or in the skies.
Let's go. Come on.
Well, Benjamin, we're right near the airport. Wait, there's another plane taking off. Wait! Can I just film this plane takeoff?
That other plane was really loud.
Yeah, but this one is going to be too. Louder.
Louder.
Because...
guys, that one just landed.
Oh. Never mind.
No, you
I want to go.
Come on, let's go. You guys have a lot in common here.
A boat.
Thank you.
I know.
Okay, wait, let me get him though.
One was an American.
Look,
Takeoff coming up.
see the boat?
Takeoff. Taking off US Airways. Oh my.
Hi.
This is going to be loud.
Wow.
Ready?
Whoa. Oh my God! Gotta make your plane fly to US Airways. I did that for me.
I have a suggestion. Don't you think your videos would be cooler without you screaming?
I don't know. I like it. I like it this way. What that way is moving? We're gonna see some US Airways take off, but I want to see some more airlines because
Here, you hold this for me.
so far we've only seen one.
Alrighty.
Oh yeah, two. US Airways and American
Good
Eagle.
start.
Yeah.
What we really want is like a 747.
Yeah, 747s probably don't come here.
No?
We probably won't see one. I've never seen a 4-engine plane here. Take off!
Okay.
US Airways!
But look, ready? Hurry. Okay, quick.
US Airways again.
Quick.
US Airways! Starts flying down! US Airways, too quiet. Landing! Landing coming up.
We're landing.
See that little light? That's landing. I hope the next takeoff is in a US Airways. They make their planes really loud. See a little glow right there. It's getting bigger. I'm gonna focus on the US Airways terminal for now. There's a Steelers themed US Airways.
Where?
Oh, never mind.
Where are you? What's Airways dealer?
No, I said Steeler themed. The Steeler, the football team. Steelers. Okay, I'm not seeing another U.S. Airways takeoff.
I see it moving. I think it's going to come over us in just a little bit.
But if it bothers you, you just cover your ears, honey.
It doesn't bother me. I like it.
Yeah, you can put your hood on. That'll insulate your ears.
No, I like hearing it. Because I don't know what my video is going to be like.
Yeah, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud.
But there isn't really a takeoff going on right now, even if there is a landing. But I think there's going to be a takeoff soon. I see U.S. Airways heading out. I think that's right around where we were. Light.
I think so. I think one is coming in. See the lights coming in? The airplane will land. You'll be able to see it.
Landing. It's not there yet, but it will be.
But it may blow away. There is some wind today. That's a lot of...
And we have a boat. We'll swim through the water to the airport. And then we
Landing. Crosswind.
If we got that boat,
What?
we have a boat, Daddy. Daddy, I want to go
Do you hear the train?
We're here to watch planes for a while first.
Yeah.
This is the best place to see the plane.
Yeah.
I know.
It's the closest part. Because it's the closest part.
I see the plane coming.
Yeah, but they're smaller from there. I like it here.
It's right there. Can you stand up on the bench?
There it is. The tail.
Up a little bit. Can you see?
It's not taking off. It's landing. Dylan just landed.
It's right here.
Hudson, I think that's a 737. It's got pickups. Is it another U.S.? No, wait, that's an AirTran. Then it is a 737. It's an AirTran. So it's a 737. It's got hookups and AirTran. I get around when we're flying over. We're probably going to Dulles because otherwise it's enormous.
We did. Where did we go there on AirTran?
Aw, Ducky. A U.S. Airways Express number 170. Landing! Another U.S. Airways Express number 170. They have a lot of those. Whoa, that was going fast. But I think we're going to see a plane take off. And I want to hear some planes now.
Hey! Right, so don't pull my hair.
That's hard to see things.
You
When is
okay?
the next time a plane's going to take off? Because,
There's about 3 coming, I think.
whoa. 3?
Look at that one! Hey!
Yes.
Oh, that black one.
I know.
Benjamin.
It's moving.
There's a
But
one
hey, listen, look, there's 3 or 4 of them getting lined up to take off. See the black one moving?
I'm going to get up here so I can really see landings.
Okay, go.
It's the highest I can go.
Moving.
Oh, yeah. It looks pretty far with the camera, even in high zoom. But it's going to look a lot bigger soon.
Yes. Peace.
The plane is landing.
Cute. Up. Look. What is it?
Just landed.
Check it out. What you see?
Just landed.
Oh my god, yeah, it just landed.
Okay, there's one getting ready to take
US
off,
Airways.
Arjun. Get ready.
I can tell. I'll see the tail.
Then get up. Excuse me.
Jonah, honey, move over, sweetie.
Oh, thank you. Okay, be careful. You have to say
Oh
excuse
my
me.
god, that's big.
Oh my god, that's gonna go.
Okay, but look, the airplane's coming close.
Hey,
Let's see one.
It's
I will,
not
Lala.
gonna take
Hold
off,
on now.
it just landed.
They look best when they're taking off. Oh my god, that's a Delta. Why?
Oh, did you see that fish jump?
Ah, fish dump. Whoa.
I think it's not going.
Delta!
There's one that's going to be coming for takeoff in a second.
Delta 757!
Don't run around because you need to stand still if you're up there, okay? No, I'm going to be over here.
Is that taking off?
There's a plane that's about to take off, guys.
Arjun, let go.
Don't jump around if you're on there, honey.
And there's one that's about to land, but I can tell that's going to take off first.
All right, guys, here it comes.
Take off!
Ready? One's coming. It's getting ready to take off. Zoom.
It's going. That's one of the U.S. Airways Embraer 170s.
Look.
That's an Embraer 170. U.S. Airways.
Hurry, Arjun.
Uh-oh.
Arjun, look.
Camera.
There's going to be another plane taking off soon. There was just a big line of engine on the back. Plane is landing. Is that a private jet?
If you're going to jump around like that, you need to get on the ground, okay?
Kind of looks like it could be.
There's another plane, guys.
Yep.
There's one getting ready to take off.
No, landing. It just landed.
Yeah, but there's one coming into position.
There's one coming into position.
Where's the ducky? You want to sit there? You can sit.
Ducky used that.
Hey,
birdies.
Arjun, stand nicely and be careful, okay?
Lots of birdies. Oh my God, mine's way over there.
Wow.
That's a landing.
That's an Air Canada. Air Canada.
Nice.
can you move? I can't see them.
Do you want to move over, honey?
Come on over this way, Lana. That way she can see. Okay?
Benjamin, ask up lightly, okay?
Take off coming!
Ready, steady. Oh, it's coming. Can you count? When is it coming?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Coming! And then there's a landing coming after it.
Steady up, airplane.
I think it's another U.S. Airways Express E-170.
Yeah, it's a light plane. It's already almost airborne.
It did, Lala, but you're going to miss the takeoff if you don't watch.
Yeah, it's a U.S. Airways Embraer 170.
Look. It's gone. See, it's not in here. Look.
U.S. Airways Express Embraer 170.
It's a ski dog.
I don't think so. United! The United's gonna take off! Oh, finally! Landing! Or take off. I can't tell. I think it's a takeoff. It's a landing. There's gonna be a United! Finally! A United's gonna take off. Oh, wait. That is taking off. It is taking off! Oh, wait. No, it's landing. Landing.
That's not.
The first E-170 is gone. That is,
Not taking off.
Delta or Air Canada? Delta. Delta.
It's a light plane.
Delta. Landing! Take off! Take off, fine.
Where?
You'll see it. Or it might be a landing, but it's probably a takeoff. Ow! One engine on the back plane's taking off. There's all those engines on the wings, please. There are a lot of engines on the back planes here. Take off! I wonder what airline this is. I think it's another U.S. Airways. Is this that United I saw?
American!
No! Another U.S. Airways Express Embraer 170. Oh, a lot of it! But it's awesome. Because then we could hear it, unlike at National Airport. Couldn't hear any of the plane stuff. But we could see it. Another takeoff. Or is that a land? It could be a landing.
I think you're going to see a lot of airplanes taking off here because they're all lining up to take off.
Oh, I think that's taken off. Well, there's a big line of takeoffs already. Which the United's going to be in that. That is... Wait.
Light plane.
Landing.
Yes.
Whoa.
Take a draft.
See the ducks? Where's the ducks?
That I got to put on this.
Okay.
What's this?
12 minutes. We got full time. These are
Hey,
good.
Jonah?
What?
Last time you were here, did you see any planes landing from this direction?
I don't know. Can't remember. Look, a plane. Oh, that's US Airways Express again? Whoa. We see a lot of US Airways and Delta. But... Cool. I think that plane's going to land closer.
I want to take a picture.
Careful.
Which one do you press?
No. Plane coming.
Hold on.
Ready?
It's around your neck. You're gonna...
I'm using the picture taker.
Oh.
Camera.
Hey, I'm
Oh
not
my god.
airplane.
Look at that plane.
It's a big plane landing.
I guess. Looks like it.
4.
But not a 747 of what I can tell from here.
Wait, what are you doing?
Does that even have it? Probably edge on the back. Because I don't see it here.
Jump on.
Normal.
Oh no, look, the ambulance is going. See the lights?
Ambulance.
The red, no, it's not an ambulance, what is it? It's the red and white lights.
I can't
What is happening?
I don't know what this is.
Benjamin.
Happen.
That's the engine.
Look.
That's the engine on the back plane, not a big plane.
Yeah.
We've got a 757 here. Come on. It's not the US Airways. Oh, look at that mini Delta. I think we saw that one land. Landing.
Hey, I'm keeping an eye on you.
Okay, keep an
I
eye
didn't
on me.
see it.
Where are you?
I'm keeping an eye on the airplane.
Okay. What is it?
United's
See, is
gonna
that a
take
big
off
United
next.
airplane's taking off?
No,
They're
landing. Landing.
Oh, did it land?
That's all.
Okay.
Now, next is a takeoff. That United over there.
Okay.
There's gonna be a takeoff soon.
Itsy bitsy.
Is that an MD?
Right there.
Is that even a
Take
Delta?
off.
Look.
I know, but it's not coming yet. I want to figure out what this Delta is before that plane takes off.
It's
Or
Bitsy.
if it even is a Delta. Probably a Delta
Wait.
MD. I've identified every
What
plane so far.
what is the itsy bitsy doing? Itsy bitsy's getting restless.
MD, no matter what. MD. It is a Delta, MD-82, or MD-90. Now there's a United taking off. I gotta focus. Enormous off, but we're gonna see another airplane. Enormous off taking off.
Again?
I love this spotting. It's so fun.
No, you better turn around because there's a huge airplane taking off.
What is what? What?
Oh, there's a lot of them. There's a siren.
Then I cannot blow.
Yes.
Takeoff coming! United.
See, look.
United! Great United! Takeoff! Finally! Another US Airways!
Bella, do you see the smoke?
Landing!
That was a close United and a long United.
Yeah, pretty long.
That's why it's a smoke, Daddy.
That was the first. That was the first. Oh wait, second.
I think it's cleared up.
I remember the American though.
Flashing lights.
Bombardier.
Careful, honey. You're on the table. You can't be honey, no. You can't do that here.
Up here.
All right, what should we do? You want to watch one more takeoff?
That's gonna
Okay, can you grab it?
US
Carefully.
Airways. I guess.
Thank you.
take off.
The landing. The landing with her.
Oh my god. I heard the wind.
I know.
Did you? Made a smashing noise? Wow.
I'm trying to identify every single plane, but the airline, which is going to be easy, because now I know a lot of airlines that go here. And also the type of plane, which might be a little hard,
Thank you.
especially with
The yo-yo wants
757s will be easy, because they have cool new, well, US Airways 170.
You can go there.
Arjun, you keep paying attention so you don't fall off.
What is with the US Airways E170?
When we're done with this, yes.
Daddy, this is what engine named walking in.
And I think there's another one coming soon.
Daddy, do the hood right down the
I like the view
Yeah?
from here. It's good. Even if
Look,
it's farther.
you see,
Hey, there's a plane that's gonna take
another
off.
airplane getting ready to take
It's called
off.
the US Airways. I the little plane back. Taking off. Hey, where'd the smoke go? Another US Airways moving.
It disappeared.
Not the Steelers plane though.
No
I think there may be one getting ready to take off. Or is that coming?
Take off. It's taking off. Get ready.
Look.
Another E-170.
Come on, take away.
Look, airplane.
US Airways E-170. Again, wait. No, Frontier E-170. Frontier! Woohoo! Frontier. That was Frontier Airlines. Hey, I was looking for that. What?
Siren.
What? Oh my god, that was blue.
Over the airport.
Careful, Lala. Don't.
Onto the helicopter!
All right, Lala. Do you want to go see dinosaurs?
No.
No? Sorry? All right, well, maybe Shiv and I are going to go see dinosaurs.
But it's not open.
Let's hope that.
Airplanes are cool. Whoa, I'm almost 20 minutes into this film.
Oh, you're doing
I
a
missed
long video.
I did miss that first US Airways Express, but
Yes.
I did get a lot of points here.
Here in my pocket. Leave it. Leave it.
Helicopter.
Okay.
I'm taking off.
Well, I don't know.
What is that doing? What's that plane sitting there for?
Sitting where for?
See that plane sitting right there with that? Whoa.
See the helicopter? Look at them.
Whoa, that thing's gonna land here. Helicopters come here too. I can tell it's gonna land. Hey, you could fit one of those in a beluga.
Okay. All right, come on, my little boy. Let's go off and see some
Right.
dinosaurs. All right, baby Shiv and I are going to go see dinosaurs.
Where did that?
Do you think you could fit a private jet into the Airbus Beluga's cargo area?
I don't know.
Because I
Question.
do. I think so. 2011 Chevrolet Equinox car. Get on. There goes my helicopter. Wait.
Yep, that is a 2011 F-150.
See the thing behind the building. I love National Airport. It's so cool. This is so fun.
What's that plane sitting there for?
All activity was stopped.
Yeah.
All the planes have
Something happened.
That US Airways
funny, I
Express
was
has
thinking
its door open.
But not today. Nah, the planes will be right on top of us.
I think that smoke was from that plane that's sitting there.
No, it wasn't.
Stop.
Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video for a little bit because Delta. It's gonna take off. Okay, never mind that. Just wait.
It's my over there.
Finally, US Airways is moving! More action! There it goes. I can't reach it. I was addicted to something here. US Airways is moving! Finally, more action. Ducky! Sky Ducky. We were somewhere around there because this is when the planes are taking off. Yeah, and that's the US Airways terminal. Take off! Coming up! Delta Bombardier. Delta Bombardier. It's even a Delta. Delta What's up on bad here? Landing!
I think they fixed that problem.
The takeoff. It is so thought it would just be takeoffs, but you can see like the whole U.S. Airways terminal. You can already see. You can see the American terminal from here. Landing. It's more terminal. US Airways Express. I have to go to the bathroom. CX-9. Oh. An airplane over there. No, that's a helicopter. Look at that. Oh, weird helicopter. The helicopter airplane.
Yeah,
I would call it at least. Where'd it go? There it is. Where's Thingy? Oh, come on. Is that US Airways just holding everything up? Oh, wait, it got past it. Never mind. That US Airways that's been sitting there forever has probably had a delay. Oh, US Airways Express Little. That's right where we were.
Where?
Right where we can see. That's where we were on July 24th, basically. And August 4th. Because we were in the same terminal and we got back one gate away from leaving. It's going to be a plane takeoff. Daddy, can you stand on that part of it?
What?
Because I want you to. The Steelers plane is moving! The Steelers plane is moving.
The Steelers?
Yeah, there's a Steelers US Airways.
What does that mean?
No, seriously, there's a US Airways Steelers team. Right there, it's that plane that's
Washington
moving.
Steelers today?
I don't know.
There's a Steelers airplane.
Right there.
It's a black tail right there. The one that's turning very slowly.
That one that's moving is a regular US Airways Express. Yay, that Delta's finally moving! The one that's been sitting there forever. Which anyway, I thought it was a US Airways.
Where's the Steelers plane? Oh,
Very slowly. There it is.
Oh, weird. That is a Steelers plane.
Yeah.
Team plane?
We are at some point going to see it take off.
Arizona.
Huh.
There's a Pittsburgh Steelers airplane here.
I told him I saw that.
My son
Oh,
identified it.
something's gonna take off. Something's gonna. US Airways is gonna take off soon. I think it's only 319.
Maybe they came to see a football game.
When I came down to George Parkway, I was like,
My son was saying it's a Steelers plane. What are you talking about? Huh.
Oh, I got a picture of it for you, Donna.
The Steelers plane?
Who's spotting?
No, I'm gonna see it take off. We're gonna see the plane take off. I can tell. We're gonna be here long enough.
Careful with that log.
Put it down, honey.
That's it. This plane take off.
Guys, here comes a plane and
A boat.
a boat making duck sound.
But I don't care. US Airways A319.
Here it comes.
Could be better if I sat
Where are all
down.
the boats going? Where does the fishing boat go?
I don't know. Getting everything take off all the time. There's so much US
Oh, look,
Airways.
guys, the boat.
It's gonna go on the land now, guys. Watch that boat. Watch it go. Now it's a car.
Now it's a car.
It's a boat that turns into a car.
How
That's
dumb is that?
cool. Yeah, it's got wheels. Landing. Held up. Steelers plane.
How did it do that?
It's called the duck boat. It goes on the water and in the land.
Yep.
That's really exciting.
Really dumb.
When it was in the water, did it have the wheels?
Yep. We'll
Yes.
just get wet.
I thought it
Landing.
had the wheels.
No, they don't go anywhere. Alright guys, we'll watch a couple more planes, okay?
Why? I want to stay here for more than an hour.
Oh, honey.
Mommy said you could.
We've probably been here for close to an hour.
Yeah.
Donna.
No. We haven't even been here for 30 minutes.
We've been here for close to an hour.
No, close to 30 minutes.
Nope.
I'm timing it with the flip camera. US Airways Emperor 170.
Is the Steelers plane going to take off? Is it lined up to take off?
No, it's okay.
Not yet, but I think it will take off because it left its gate. Or wait, is it at its gate? Its gate again? Looks like it. I think they're randomly turning planes around for no apparent reason. Well, it is the Delta terminal over there. I had never noticed that. There's a plane about to take off.
In the while it was floating. Daddy,
Benjamin, can you move over?
Daddy,
Go ahead.
where did we
There's a takeoff coming.
in the
Well, the US Airways clouds. The Steelers plane's moving.
while it was floating?
Yeah.
The Steelers plane is moving
The wheels
slowly.
just sit in the water.
No,
But there's a plane takeoff.
go in like this.
No, they stay out where they are.
Let's see where they are.
Oh, oopsies.
What's that?
What?
Johnny, just kicking things around
Yeah,
when you're on a
don't kick
table
things.
is not wise. Not nice.
You shouldn't even be moving when you're on a table unless you know exactly where you are.
US Airways Express E170. Oh, wait, Delta.
Those are 10 tickets. What?
The Steelers plane.
It's okay, honey. You got all these airplanes to watch.
We haven't seen any Alaska Airlines yet. Speaking of.
You think you're gonna?
Yeah, somewhere over there is where the Alaska Airlines are. We can't see them from here though. Yeah, but we did see that AirTran 737 land, and its terminal is way over there. I know. You know that the AirTran terminal is way over there, and we saw an AirTran 737 land. So check out something. This is gonna be cool. I'm gonna stand all the way over here for it, so I can see the side. Which is gonna be cool. In fact, I'm gonna stand over here. Somewhere where you can airplane spot. Landing coming up. Landing coming up. Landing coming up. Landing coming up. Boat! Landing coming up. 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 Blick! Pish! I think outdoor airplane spotting is better, actually. You can hear the airplanes. Landing coming up. Landing coming up. Landing coming up. Dong, 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 dong. Ow. Helicopter thing. Helicopter thingy. Landing coming up. 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 Helicopter thing. Landing coming up. Landing coming up. Coming up. Landing 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 coming up. Oh, it's an engine on the back, so. That's landing. That's a landing. No, I can't see the Steelers plane. I'm gonna go back over here though. Okay. Because there is a plane takeoff soon. I don't want to have to do the bend thing. USA Airways, hey, landing. Delta! What's next? Stand way over here so I can see the side. A way over here.
Where do we go potty, Mom?
Oh, porta potty. I have to go to the bath. USA Airways. Landed. I think that's another A319. There are a lot of US Airways A319s. Come on. Takeoff coming! The takeoff coming! It's an engine on the back because his tail. There's no need to see that. It's an American. That's an American. Whoa, American Eagle needs to quiet down too. Not just US Airways, but American Eagle too. ND something. Yeah. But no matter what, it was an American Eagle. And that was the biggest one we saw.
It was an American Eagle.
Poke up landing. US Airways Express over there. Oh, wait, is that the takeoff or landing? Cloud. Airline. I think it's Air Canada or American. It's American. American 737! I know! It's an American 737! John, you didn't see much. Next is the U.S. Airways Steelers. Gonna go on low battery before they go off. Yeah. I'd be missing out. School film. Where's that a landing? Yeah, take off! Take off! Light plane, take off! Take off coming! Oh, way over here! Is that what it is? Delta! Delta! Light jet! Light jet! U.S. Airways Express! E-170, U.S. Airways. U.S. Airways, E-170, coming up! Steelers plane! Still no Steelers plane!
We go, get all the stuff we need done today, and then we'll have the whole afternoon to do that, those kind of things.
And in the afternoon, can we come back?
No.
Why? Take off!
We gotta park in our neighborhood, Benjamin.
U.S. Airways Express stop!
Honey, we came here to watch airplanes.
We've got lots of different parks to go play in.
How awesome.
What last time?
Nice buzz to it.
The one that just took off. Well, what about the Steelers plane? It went over there.
What's another one of those big planes?
What big planes?
That big one. The one I asked you about. You said it was an MD something?
That's big.
The bigger the plane is, the more runway it needs. And if it needs more runway, it takes off closer to us.
Yeah, so one of the MD planes are going to be really, really close. I guess that's what that means, because the MD planes are pretty big.
McDonnell Douglas, right?
Yeah, because remember that MD plane? I saw it, I think it flew like 10 feet over this table.
10.
Airplane! Big plane! Oh, wait, that's landing.
I want to see
Landing.
a beluga.
Who said that's going to be a... Do you think there's going to be a beluga here? Are you crazy? Because it's going to be a Delta taking off. I'm ready. Glad I'm not on the table. JetBlue! 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 A JetBlue! Look, a JetBlue!
Look at JetBlue.
Definitely what?
I don't know.
Well, I'm not going up there.
Take off!
Oh, this one's going to be really good, guys. Whoa.
Yeah. Oh my God.
All right, I'll go to there for a minute, and then after that, we're going to head out.
Super landing!
Jonah,
But I'm saying where to go.
Jonah, now.
Can we see at least one more MD take off?
Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen.
I want to see another MD take off. It's gonna be so close.
This is pretty cool, huh?
Mhm.
So have you seen a lot of different kinds of planes?
Mhm. Definitely different airlines. I haven't really seen any Alaska there. Look, a weird car. Airline Spock. I really don't have to worry about batteries. I just put a new one in. Take off! There's no MD. Got poke-ups. Weird moves. U.S. Airways Express! I mean, that MD's right over. That American one was right over. I mean, I think it's a Delta one too, but it didn't fly that close. If it was a 747, that would probably be really close. I think that's the problem.
What?
No, that wasn't a private jet. No, it was a U.S. Airways Express. And private jets aren't airlines.
It was small.
Benjamin, a lot of like that are small.
Where's Daddy?
Now there's a landing coming. Can we see another MD takeoff? It's not an MD, it's a Delta, plus it landed. Well, I mean, of course, it's a Delta, but it's an engine all wing. I think they're even crazier from standing up there. Oh, why do I do this? Delta! Where's Daddy and Benjamin? US Airways.
Is that the one with the flag on the
What flag?
on the tail?
The Steelers?
No, it's US Airways. That's the flag on the
Yeah. The Star Alliance is going to gate 27. Star Alliance arriving at gate 20. Take off! Delta takeoff. Whoa! Q400!
What is that?
Bombardier Q400. Continental or United? Now I'm gonna focus on the Star Alliance since we're at gate 27. Landing coming. Nope. I'm not cool at all. I wish I could stay here all day.
I know you do, honey, but nobody else wants to. Maybe Benjamin, but
Yeah.
I think we'd get pretty hungry if we stayed here all day.
Then we could have brought lunch.
It's not our original plan, but I think we decided to come earlier so we didn't have to bring lunch.
Alright.
Because your arm.
What time is it?
I don't know.
Is it home?
So, oh no,
Cool.
which one's in the car?
It's an express. United! United's backing up. I think it's gonna take off at some point. US Airways Express. We're gonna want to see the United take off. Another A319? Oh my God! There are a lot of A319s at this airport. A billion of them. 27 Pocaps. Small Pocaps. Hippie! Look at this. Metro! US Airways Express. No, wait. No. Delta Bombardier. Airplane spotting I've ever done. This is the funnest airplane spotting I've ever done. US Airways Express E170 Bach. United A319, United A320, A319.
Sound like a crazy person. Why not?
Take off coming! Delta E170. Delta E170. Bah! Bark, bark. What? Delta E170. Embraer 170. A lot of Embraer 170s. I can't tell what that landing is. Could be United. It's going to be an American takeoff. I'm going to want to see that and that United right there. 'Cause, Not a takeoff, it's a landing of probably a United.
That's a landing.
Yeah, landing. No matter what, I saw it. How come the landings are so loud? Oh my god, the United 319 is moving fast. That could be another United 319 that just landed, but yeah, it's United.
Being an aircraft controller would be really stressful.
They didn't move about it.
What was that? We didn't even watch the whole thing, did we? We just watched the beginning.
It's gonna be US Airways takeoff soon.
Hotel or something?
United 319, I was right.
Right? Yeah.
The guys that came back after some terrible, incident happened.
Snacks.
Because we're going to go to lunch now.
But I want to see a United A319 that I saw going over there
What?
take off.
Well, okay, but then after that, I think it's time to go.
Okay, I'll tell you when that's big.
I want to go to Alex.
The landing so good. We're in Alexandria or Arlington. We're in either Alexandria or Arlington. So cool. US Airways Express E170. E117 that you could have heard of. Land Rover Dummet!
Guys,
Birdie! Whoa. Wow! Land Rover Dummet. Be quiet.
It's the hundreds and hundreds of girls.
yeah.
How do they know where to go? Like, how do they know how to stay together like that?
US Airways E170.
So the ducks are using the boat landing area. Getting it out of the water.
Chevrolet Uplander. I'm still gonna be filming on our way out. Because I did some filming on our way in. Daddy, once we see the A319 take off, we're leaving. But this next takeoff definitely won't be the A319. I can tell. Poo-poo, poo-poo. Takeoff's coming! I gotta get over here! To the base of cuckoo-ness! To the base of cuckoo-ness? US Airways! US Airways non-US7. US Airways A319! Welcome back to world! Oh, dummy! Okay, I'm way over here. So basically, or next takeoff can't be the 18. I think I still done. No, that was a US Airways. It was an A319 though. Oh, it's cool. Chevrolet Equinox car. This American! It's an American 737! Look! That was cool. Oh, that was cool. Awesome. Wait. US Airways What?
What was that?
US Airways Embraer 170. Plane take off. Can you have the door open?
Yeah.
Whoa, Air Canada. Yep, Air Canada. Air Canada. That is.
717? Who makes
Yeah.
that?
Boeing.
All the 7s are Boeing, right?
That's an AirTran one. 2 AirTrans, one of each kind of plane. Let it go by, let it go by. Whoa, big. Film until the end of that takeoff. The AirTran 737.